Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Now I know what to do if I shed a thing. Girlfriend prompted one trick. Color thing shed on the light? Sometimes, do not rush to throw. White thing you can try to whiten, boil. But what if the thing is colored? Try this method. You will need 1 tablespoon shavings of laundry soap, 1 tablespoon starch, 1 tablespoon citric acid, half street coarse salt. Preparation and use. Combine all the ingredients and mix to a uniform gruel. Throw the thing inside out, apply abundantly the mixture on the stain and leave for at least 12 hours. Rinse. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.